Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. Future Faye here. Let me just say this, y'all. This hair, don't it look like mine? Yeah. Well, it is a wig. Now, before you start, listen, Linda, I know I'm supposed to be retired, but number one, y'all know I took 2 months off work and I was living. So that savings went, we got to get her. Anyway, but no, in all seriousness, I stopped doing wig content because it just started seeming redundant. But this particular unit is something I had never seen before, and I was like, okay, I'll come out of retirement for that. But in addition to that, there is something else I need to make you aware of. When I was recording this video, I didn't leave no hairline out, baby. We was protecting, and so everything was braided up. And so when I did the install, I was like, So when you see the video, there was no edges out, no hairline, no nothing, honey. And so I decided that I did want to go ahead and install it again and show y'all what the install looks like when you leave your edges out. And this is what we're giving right here. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So with that being said, when you did a long intro, baby, let's go ahead and get this install together and show you how I was able to come out looking like a superstar. Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. I know I already said that, but let's just pretend like this is the beginning. So this is the final result of the first time that I installed this beautiful unit that was given scalp, but not scalp, but also scalp. And it is brought to you by HerGivenHair. Y'all, this is their new all-in-one half wig. I'll give you all the details, but I wanted to show you some of what they have to offer. They definitely have ability to store your units by using a storage bag. They have instruction booklets, combs, band on the side or whatever, but of course the star of the show is this unit. So again, this is a half wig. It's no lace or anything. Well, it does have a little bit of lace, we'll get into that, but it does have combs on the side, as well as an adjustable strap so you can do a glueless install. But this particular half wig has a 1x2 lace attachment. That's so in case you want to do a full wig install, you can, or you can do a half wig, which I'll show you. It does have a drawstring availability in the back. Girl, I can barely talk. Drawstring in the back if you want to do a ponytail too. So anyway, I'm gonna show you all the details, but this is the hair after I washed it. So this is my braid pattern. Now again, you can do this as a half wig, a whole wig, a ponytail, baby. You can make this whatever you want to. So I am showing you, first of all, a very rough draft version of if you were to wear it as a full wig. Now again, the parting space is a 1x2, so it's not, you know, like super huge. So don't expect, you know, anyway, let me hush my mouth. But anyway, I did a rough draft version. If you did want to go ahead and do a full install, you can do it glueless or whatever. This is me attaching the hair, which is again a 100% human hair wig. This is a coily unit. Y'all trust the process big time, okay? This is me after it's dried down and I just kind of fluff out the hair to make it fit my face, and then to just kind of bring some cohesiveness to it, I put some concealer in the part, fluff it out. This is what it would look like if you were to do a whole wig. Now keep in mind, this is without edges out, but of course that ain't how I chose to freak this. Okay, so let me get into the details. This is like I said, a half wig. I got the coily. I believe my inch was a 16 inch. It's a natural color wig. And I am going to show you how I felt most confident attaching this. This is if you want to give that really kind of nice look with kind of like a scalp, but also still do a protective style. Now this, the parting space in the front is pre-bleached, all of that. You don't have to do anything except for like maybe make it your skin tone by adding some makeup, which I did. So I went around the perimeter, attached the wig with the combs, and then I did the drawstring just to make sure it was secure. Now in the front, you see I have my natural hair braided down. That's just because I wanted to have a little bit of leave out just to make this all blend together. So it's pretty much doing a braid out in the front. So right here, after the wig has been installed, and again, I just used the combs and the adjustable straps, I am taking down my natural braids, and that's gonna be my leave out. And then of course I'm gonna shape it. This is literally one of the easiest units you could ever put on. You can do it as a full lace wig. That's not really my style right now, okay? But at the same time, you could do it as a half wig. You could do it as a ponytail. You can have even more leave out than what I did. I just wanted to use like a really small amount. So that's me taking down the braids, and then once of course the braids are out, I'm gonna go in and kind of just shape my hair up. Y'all, this is seriously like a 3-minute install. Once you have washed this wig just to give it more of a natural look, that's pretty much it, girl. Just go ahead and fluff out the curls, frame it around your face. This is very beginner friendly, very, I don't want to do no lace type friendly. This was seriously everything. All you gotta do is slap it on, fluff the curls out, and that's that on that. As far as the quality of the wig, it didn't have a stench. The curls were amazing, super voluminous. I didn't have a single complaint. HerGivenHair always has really like a really good time for me. But yeah, y'all, all you gotta do is wash this thing, put that on, and then voila, magic. Like I told you, ain't no lace. I mean, well, ain't no glue. So yeah, that's that on that. And that was the end. So let me just say, because I have installed this a few times at this time, this hair was fire. The installation was absolutely amazing. What actually helped me to blend it even better was to put the whole concealer down my actual skin and the wig, just to make sure it was all one cohesive color. That is the tip that I would give y'all. But with this already being pre-bleached, pre-plucked, I can barely get that out. This is so easy to do, girl. Just braid your hair down, do a little twisty twist in the front, slip this thing on, and go on about your business. Super easy. It's a very breathable situation, because y'all know right now it's starting to get summertime, and people want to let their scalp breathe. Now you got some coverage, but at the same time you got some breathability too. So overall, I absolutely love this unit. This looks like it could have grown out of my head. Fire. I love it. I have no complaints. Shout out to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. Shout out to y'all for watching. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye, baby. I can't wait till my real hair get back this length. If I would just stop cutting it. I need to stop cutting my, what am I talking to y'all? Bye.